Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and for those who are new to my channel, hello guys. I am Akansha and I make videos on beauty and health. So guys, every one of us wants to have a shiny, lustrous hair, glowing skin and whatnot, right? So today I am going to share with you guys an amazing hair mask and a face pack made with one common ingredient that will help you to achieve those soft and shiny hair plus glowing skin as well. But before starting the video, I would request you to please subscribe to my channel if you haven't done it yet. And now without any further ado, let's get started. Please. So the common ingredient that I was talking about is this papaya. Yes, you got me right. This is papaya. Papaya is really good for your hair as well as for your skin. And if you want to get the full benefit of this fruit, you should definitely include this in your diet. You will love the results. It is a source of nutrients with a number of health benefits. So now let's just quickly start with the preparation of the mask. So firstly we are going to prepare our hair mask. For that you need like few slices of papaya. Put it in a blender, blend it well, and here is the blended papaya. You will get a puree of it. Okay, so it's looking very good in color now. It's like I'm loving the color. I don't know why. Okay, so now just take 1 tablespoon of this papaya puree into another bowl because we will be making a face pack out of it. Okay. Now in this papaya puree, add 2 tablespoons of yogurt. Make sure to take a big scoop. Okay, so add 2 tablespoons of yogurt. Now we are going to add some coconut oil to it. Here I am using the parachute one. Just take 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. You can even add olive oil to it. It's totally up to you. And now all you need to do is mix it well. Like this. And see, your hair pack is almost ready. Now we are going to prepare our face mask. Okay, so for that take the puree that we had separated. Now add a teaspoon of honey to it. Now add just a half tablespoon of multani mitti to it. You can even use sandalwood powder, like it totally depends on you. So just now mix it well, and your face pack is ready. See? Now your hair pack and your face pack both are ready. Let's just apply it. Okay, now take the hair pack that you have already prepared. Start applying it onto your hair. Start from the roots of your hair till the ends of your hair. Yes, like this. Make sure that you apply it to the ends of your hair as well, because the ends of our hair are usually dry, brittle and whatnot. Okay, and they are usually frizzy as well. Like this. Apply it all over your hair. So papaya will promote hair growth. The nutrients in papaya will help prevent balding as well. So if you are losing a lot of hair every day and you are really concerned about it, then start eating papaya and also start applying papaya mask at least twice a week. Okay, so now just apply it all to your hair like this and leave it for at least an hour. Now coming to the face pack, take the face pack that you have already prepared. Make sure that your skin is clean. And now start applying the face pack. you need to apply a thick layer of this face pack and apply it even under your eyes, because it will also help you in getting rid of your dark circles. Papaya can improve your complexion because of the active enzyme present in it. It helps reduce pigmentation and control acne breakouts and even wrinkle formation. So if you are suffering from uneven pigmentation, papaya can help you in clearing it. Now leave the mask for at least 30 minutes and then wash it off. So now here is my skin after washing the face pack, and you can see my skin is looking so fresh, so clear and so brightened up. Like, papaya can really make wonders to your skin, and it is feeling even softer. You should definitely try it. And so here is my hair. You can see how shiny and soft it is looking. Like, I haven't even used conditioner on my hair today and still my hair is very soft. And I'm loving it. See, I will show you how shiny my hair is looking. See the shine in my hair. I'm literally loving it. Papaya is really good for hair. Definitely try it for once and let me know what you think of it. Until then, keep loving my videos and thanks for watching. Bye.